So, all right, we're here again, and this is now being gone from the basics to your more advanced, because what you're going to find is the setup that I had given you, which was just the basic setup, which is very important. It's a foundational setup. Okay, the foundational setup in which you have is you would have levels up here. Let's say, like, let me draw a line. I don't want to confuse these lines. All right, right here at the top, right here, that's your, from the end here, 70, right? And the same thing on the bottom to the end here, which you see where that price is sitting. We're now moving the SL closer an entry. So it's going to be different now, because even though I would say it's a high rate of wins, we don't need to be really that high, and we're taking a larger SL than we should, because once price gets to a certain point, it just keeps going. So I want to cut that extra fat off. Um, when price comes to this point, typically around here, this is where the turnaround can happen, right? But once it goes beyond 50, it's going to come up to here and hit SL. So SL is now going to be moved down to 50 points. It's going to be moved here. Okay. So SL goes up here, and this entry is wrong. So this not even going to equate right. So it's this because this was based on the older setup. So I mean, I'd have to find one that's within the ranges. Okay. No. This one. Yeah, no, it's not it. Something that's in the range of. See, that's going up. That's out of the range. So, okay. So, and this rate of return is basically, it's in the 70s, like 70, 75% win rate. Um, I'll have more accurate numbers on each different pairs as time goes forward, but these were back tested 50 trades on the euro pairs. Okay. So, um, if you go from the center to the edge, let's make this. So this is to go up, right? So the area of entry is here, where you enter the trade is down here. Right now, it's out of the zone. So I would put it anywhere between, I can put it up here, I can put it down here, whatever. Let's say right here. So to be a buy, your SL is going to be, see, TP's up here. Um, SL would be down here, 40. It's close enough. SL will be about right there, right? So there's kind of a one. That's 152. Really, it's like a 1 3. It's like a 1 3 to 1 5 RR. Okay. So this means your break even is now 40%, like 43% win rate, your break even, right? But this win rate is at 70 and above based on the parameters I just gave you. Okay, it's like 70 and above. So um, it's astronomical. It's great. It's great numbers. Look at this. So the Chat GPT. Oh, it's supposed to do the window, right? I think you still see this, don't you? So, so it was 70. I'm good then. So, and this was at 1.3, and it says this break even rate, right? Break even is 43.29 if it's at 131. So that last trade is at 152. So it's going to be basically somewhere around, and that makes that number drop. I mean, if you know what I mean, it's around about. So yes, it's very good. You know, yeah, fantastic, fantastic. So that puts me at more of a guarantee to be profitable in past. And it also says, yes, you stay within FXFI rules. Where is it? If it's yes, you stay within FXFI rules. So, and that's gonna be the how do you say hardcore setup, like the 70 pip grid matrix is exactly this. All right. So like, and if it's a short, remember you flip this, it just will be catching trades in this zone rather than this zone. So I mean, if it goes like here, I would have been already been caught, right? It would have broken it, right? Yeah, it would have broken the SL. Just would have been an SL. Um, but now that it's back in the zone or whatever, I can wait for another pullback. See if I can get another pullback because it actually missed the trigger at the 70. It actually did miss that. It's in my mind, it's still in play. Like you don't want this to go. Like if it goes 70, right down here, like if it actually hit it, because I've seen it do this and still, and then it goes to the other side. So like if this had actually gone to the edge of this, I mean, it actually went, went through whatever triggered it, right? It like stopped at 68.5. Then there would be a new setup. But if it pulls back like that, right, and goes back into the zone, that zone, boom. I mean, I would get it. I mean, man, if I had seen it earlier or whatever, and it came, back into this area after triggering here, and it came back up to here, man, I'd take that trade, right? Yes, sir. Um, because usually, now this is because why? Is because usually when this thing gets real close to that point and it just gives up and goes the other way, that's it. It goes back into this zone. Man, it is a wrap. It ain't coming back here. It's not coming back here until it hits this point. Once it's gone that far, shh, it's not gonna even see this, man. So yeah, but I just wanted to share that with you so that you guys can basically get to see and understand just what's been um, uh, like how to getting down in the trenches. Okay, getting down in the trenches of the 70 pip grid matrix. I'm opening up the chat, opening up the group chat. Um, Also, I'm start from this day on providing you with signals, education. All right, we're gonna start going over this. I can coach you, um, and you can do a. I think it's a run for like $9. You can go for a week. All right, you can do a week if you want. If you want 30 days, that's $39 for a month, and basically to teach you this winning strategy. It's great. I've enjoyed it for the past several months, and I've tweaked it to make it even more. How do you say? Just better. You know what I mean? Just better. It's just better. I'm very very happy that um, I have this strategy, and it's gotten to the point where I was able to nail down something that works, and something that can be profitable for us, and passing. challenges or growing your account or whatever. Okay. It's all about you got to get those numbers, get your RR, you know what I mean? Have your win rate. That's solid. When that's good, everything's good, right? And then we just follow the process. Um, and that's it. So see you guys on the next one. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share. And make sure you subscribe also. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I can keep doing more videos like this. And yeah, all right, see you.